Are you looking for a way to provide your employees with the essential credit and financial analysis skills needed for SME and corporate banking credit segment? Then no need to look any further. Our comprehensive and structured online course, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery SME and Corporate Credit, is designed to help your team members learn the necessary skills to excel in this field. This course is basically a bundle of 15 modules, and they are basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, how to do financial ratio analysis, how to do cash flow analysis, how to do fund flow analysis, how to carry out credit risk rating for trading and non-trading entities, how to prepare CMA report for bank loans, how to prepare cash budget for bank loans, how to assess fund-based working capital, basically cash credit and overdraft as a banker, how to assess non-fund based credit facilities, that is letter of credit and bank guarantee as a banker, how to do term loan appraisal and assessment, and what are the basic elements of loan proposals. We have also included case studies related to credit analysis, and there is also a dedicated module on collateral securities. Additionally, your team will also have access to ebooks, various e-resources, and career guidance material to support their learning. And we are offering the course on a license model. As a special offer for banks and financial institutions, we are offering a deep discount for corporate subscriptions. By purchasing multiple licenses for your employees, you can take advantage of this offer and save even more on the already competitive pricing. So don't miss out on this opportunity to give your employees the edge they need to succeed. Contact us now to learn more about purchasing licenses for your team and to take advantage of our corporate subscription discount.